Wee buns.
Wee buns. Sounds like a bakery item. Now, one final question. Do you know who's bought the BDC? Because I'm looking for a job next year, and I'm going to be honest with you, I don't have much other work, so I could really do with it. Like, I don't behind a little paper trail.
Thanks, David. So, ladies and gentlemen, rounds are qualified here. The Rockingham Championship 2018 as we continue. If you are in attendance and you want to make your way down to the edge of the circuit, you can enter the circuit at the turn 1 South Grandstand. All by the start line, come down and get on to the circuit. Give me these cars and show them the rest. Read out the scoreline. Then your first place is divided between the King, second fifth, Kevin Quinn. Sixth, Aramis Pascalis. Seventh, Ryan Caldwell. Eighth, Connor Shanahan. Ninth, Martin Richards. 10th, Simon Perry. In 11th is Matt Carter. 12th, Peter Nielsen. 13th, Brett Perry. 14th, Paul Smith. 15th, Andrew Earl. 16th, Martin Wanacott. 17th, Michael Marshall. 18th, Ollie Elmore. 19th, Matthew Denham. 20th, Ollie Evans. In 21st is Richard Grimwald. 22nd, Evan Lawrence. 26th, Lee Barker. 27th, Jason Clark. 28th, Anton Amar. 29th, Peter Hayden. 30th, Phil Morrison. 31st, Scott Cartledge. And round out qualified here in the final round is 32nd place, Ian Phillips. Eddie, that is the formality, that is the first half, the boring bit, done. It's finished, it's in the history books, this year's finished for that.
Yeah, the last one. Just
There's a dinosaur on
dinosaur down on track, you know, so things are really hotting up here. It's going to be the most insane top 32, the final round. These guys have 5-6 months to prepare these cars, rebuild them for the next season. The championship is going to be decided in the next few hours here. The noise in the background, the sunshine, the awesome crowd we have here in Rockingham. It's all still to come when we come back live. I'm pumped.
Yeah, I'm pumped too. But before we get into action, we're going to let everybody here in attendance get down on circuit, get up close and personal to these cars. If you're here in attendance and you want to get on the track, go to the South Grandstand, turn 1 entrance. They're going to open the gates and let you in. If you're on the other side of the circuit, go to the start line where the cars are entering the track. You can get on circuit there. Come along, meet these guys. From me and Eddie Powell, we'll be back soon. We'll be back at 3 o'clock, I do believe, for top 32. You don't want to miss it. Half past two for top 32. You're not going to want to miss it. It's going to be some ride.
Yeah, absolutely. 2:30 back on your screens. Join us then.
I think so, yeah.
Jay Cannon and Dapper Laughs up front are leading these guys out. Look at Dwayne McKeever and Ian Biz Phillips. We're going to take a walk to the beginning of the grid and we're going to have a chat with some of these guys and introduce you to your top 32. Rockingham, as they pull up in front of you and they get out their cars, make some noise, give them a round of applause. These guys have worked seriously hard, travelled the length and breadth of the country for your entertainment. As we are ready to introduce you to your first battle of your top 32. He may have qualified in 32nd place, but don't take anything away from this man. They don't call him the business for nothing. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a round of applause, Ian Biz Phillips. Undefeated on UK soil in 2018, this young man is a champion of champions. Can he finish this event off in spectacular style? Well, only time will tell. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines, it's top 32 time.
Thank you, Ian, and thank you to our top 32 drivers and to everybody here in attendance, making this one of the most special send-offs to UK drifting. The final round, we are almost set to go. Nathan, your last few moments in the spotlight.
Yeah, he didn't mention me at all. I feel like Ian forgot that I was even here then. I'm here getting, I'm covering while he's round and gallivanting down there. I'm here holding the fort.
Well, I think it's obvious then that you haven't really left your mark even after 5 rounds.
You don't reckon? No, well, listen, I'm going to go back down there and I'm going to do what I do best, and that's try and understand just what on earth's going on here. I've had more than enough time sitting next to you, Powerhead, so I'm going to hand on over to the main man, Mr. Dave Egan, for some words.
This has never happened before. This kind of a grid. We've got 2 guys who've competed in the Formula Drift on the grid. We've got guys who've competed in the Drift Masters Championship all year on the